And what's happening YouTube, it's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're looking at the Soundpeats RunFree. And this is pretty much an open ear headphones that you can use for running, maybe going to the gym, if you still want to hear your environment on the outside and still have good quality sound. This is from Soundpeats. It says here that it has 16.2mm dynamic driver, 14 hours of playtime, dual mic and noise cancellation. And we're gonna test it out today and show you what it has. Here we go. Let's open this up. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and if you wanna get one of these, I'll link this down below. So go ahead and check that out. Inside the box, it comes with the instruction manual right there. Some audio interface for the app right there. USB-C cable and the actual headphones right there. That's really it for the box. Let's put this away. Pretty much how you would wear this is just goes over your ear like so, and you're pretty much done. Now let me know what you think of that. How does it look on my ears? Not bad, right? It's pretty good. Kind of just lands on the back of my neck too, right there. Not bad at all. Looks good, looks good. Let's go ahead and pair this on our iPhone now. Little close up here. There's where the sound comes out. Little noise cancelling mic up there. It has this pair that goes around, little rubbery there to go around your ear. This one is the one that goes around your neck, flexible as well. And this is where the controls are, as you could see there. Plus, minus, and select in the middle. Probably turn it on as well. There it is. Down here is where you charge it, like so. Another sound there and noise cancelling mic up there. And that's really it. There's an indicator light as well, or up there, knowing that it is in pairing mode. We have our phone here. Let's pair it. As you can see here, Soundpeats RunFree. And that's it. We're connected. Let's go ahead and test out some sounds now and see how well it does. Let's do some spatial audio from Apple Music here. It's pretty good actually. Let me know if it has a sound leak as well, right? With these things, it kind of leaks a bit because it's a speaker on your ear. The shake test as well. It's really good attached to your ear. It's not gonna fall. And it's a, back headrest, right? So it's really good. If you're running, do some boxing, right? Not bad. Now let's do some bass boosting test here. Let's do some controls now as well. Let's see if I can figure it out. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here we go. The bass is really good too. It's really good. Now Soundpeats also has an app. Let's go ahead and open that up. Soundpeats, there we go. Right there it says Soundpeats RunFree. It'll tell you the battery indicator up there. You can also change the volume control here. adaptive EQ right there. Gonna have a preset as well for their multiple preset: bass boosting, bass reduction, electronic, rock and roll. There's also the game mode. Let's go ahead and try these adaptive EQ that they have here. Please pause the music, turn up the phone volume to the max, hit start, okay? And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new open ear headphones. This is the Soundpeats RunFree. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. It is an affiliate link, and it does help with the channel a lot if you get it from there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.